Now, Job chapter 2, verse 1 to 13. As I continue on this series, I told you of the book of Job, yote, nitaipitia yote mpaka mwisho. So, chapter 2, yesterday we saw what happened in the life of Job. Tuliona everything went, like he was blessed. We saw he had 7 kids, he had 7 men, 3 daughters, 10 kids, wote wakaenda. He had camels, he had oxen. Yani he was a wealthy man. Na kila kitu, nothing. The man got to 0. Now listen what happens in chapter 2. Now you might think that everything went at sasa ni hivyo. Hebu sikia hata shetani ametisha nini next. Now on another day, the angels came to present themselves before the Lord. And Satan also was with them to present himself before him. And the Lord said to Satan, "Where have you come from?" Satan answered the Lord, "From roaming throughout the earth, going back and forth on it." So I told you, like, it's kazi yake ni gani? It's like a devouring lion. That is exactly what he said. And this shows you how unajua even as I was reading this ndio nikaona yenyewe kusema kweli hata shetani ametushinda sisi kama binadamu. Because if Satan is literally going to the presence of God na wanapiga story hivyo, wewe mwenyewe unaona vile having the presence of God in your life is exclusive. Yani when you just have the presence of God in your life, you have everything. And now Satan wanapiganga story na Mungu. That is to show you, be humble bwana. Be humble. You know nothing about this world. Be humble. You are a human being, creature of God. The devil, angels, everything. They are creatures of God. So please, listen to this now. Then the Lord said to Satan, "Have you considered my servant Job? There is no one on earth like him. He is blameless and upright, a man who fears God and shuns evil. And he still maintains his integrity throughout, though you incited me against him to ruin him without any reason." Like Mungu anaambia shetani hivyo, as in you incited me nimharibu for no reason, but he still maintains his integrity. Can God say the same for you? Do you want how this journey of salvation, journey of righteousness, even life itself, actually utakuja kuona in life, being born was the worst thing that ever happened to you. Even Solomon himself, in one of the books in, I guess it's Proverbs or Ecclesiastes, he says that the only person mwenye akona bahati dunia is the unborn, mwenye hajaza